Welcome back to Dr. KK channel. So today we are going to see data visualization. How to do data visualization in KNIME. Here I have placed one of the component file reader. So what is the purpose of file reader? To supply the input to various component. Either we can take any of the table reader. Table reader will also help to give the input to any of the other component. Similarly, CSV reader. So CSV reader. So any reader will help us to Excel reader. So these component help us to get any of the file in any ways, any format. We want to give the input file in the format of Excel, we can use the Excel reader. We want to give the input file in the format of CSV, we can use the CSV reader. Here I have taken the file reader and supplied the input data through the setting. So to supply the input, we have to click on the setting button. Here we have the various option: file, transformation, advanced settings, and so on. How to upload the file? We need to click the browse and we can select the CSV data types. Here I have chosen the Pandas missing value data set, and then we have to give OK, so that this particular CSV file is uploaded here. So just if you click on the double click, we will be able to see the file here. So this is the area where we can see the file data. In the comment statement, I am adding 20 rows, 5 columns are there. Just for the identifications of rows and column, I am adding the comment here. Suppose if you want to write node 1, node 2 or something else, whatever the caption we want to give, you can enter those caption in the comment area. So now what I told you, data visualizations. So what kind of chart you want to place? Either it is a bar chart, pie chart, so many, sunburst chart, so many charts are here, line chart. We can place any kind of chart here. First I will show you the bar chart. How this bar chart will visualize our data. Just click on this arrow from the file reader component and connect it to the bar chart. And we can just double click the bar chart. We will be able to see the data through the line chart. Sorry, bar chart. So this is a bar chart. So here we are able to visualize the data, that Pandas missing file, CSV file, in the format of visualization using the bar chart. So if we want to change any category, we want to aggregate any of the sum or average, something else we want to find it, and if we want to include some more data here, and we want to give the title something, we shall give the Pandas missing data set. Just I am giving the same data set. Save and execute. Whatever the changes we want to do, we want to do the category access label, something like that. We want to give it as subject, and in the frequency we want to change it as marks. We can change it, and if you want to give manually the frequency access limit, here it varies from 0 to 20, 20 to 40 likewise. Suppose if you want to give manually, just you can click click on it and we can change the minimum and maximum value. Similarly, the orientation, if you want to make it as a horizontal or vertical, or the bar should be stacked or it should be grouped. So whatever the changes we want to make in the visualization, we can show all the visualization. So that interactive customizations are available here, so that we can change all the things whatever we want. Similarly, if you want to view the pie chart, we can take the pie chart, click on it, just execute it and double click it. We will be able to see the pie chart. Similarly, we can view or change all the x-axis label, y-axis label, manual calculations such as sum, aggregation, something else we want to change it now, we can change all those data. Likewise, I am placing some of the chart also which is available here. We can have any kind of chart available here. So this is one of the example of sunburst chart. Sunburst chart. So this is another kind of chart. Sunburst chart. Any kind of chart, whatever the kind of chart we want. Line, bar, any kind of chart. Histogram category of histogram type of data visualization I want to view. See, just along with the data set, I am viewing the data. Just I am viewing the data with the various bar chart, line chart and so on. So suppose if you want to apply any of the concept and we want to view after such kind of calculations, we can apply linear correlation concept, so many concept, image processing. After the filtrations or after the applying the concept, we can view these bar. Data visualizations can be done after the visualization. So any kind of chart, any kind of chart can be done here. Line chart, similarly line chart, line free chart, which has appeared in the form of the image. So here are the various kind of chart. So line plot, any format. Okay. Thank you.